In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the template on your Godaddy website builder. This simple yet crucial process can help you refresh your website's look, align it better with your brand, or simply give it an update to keep things interesting for your audience. Whether you're looking to overhaul your site's design or just tweaking it for a new season, this guide will walk you through each step of the process seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to access your Godaddy account. To do this, start by clicking on the Sign In button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the Godaddy homepage. Once you click on this, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to input this information accurately to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your credentials, proceed by clicking the Sign In button again. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Godaddy dashboard. This is where all the magic starts. From here, navigate to the website section by looking for an option titled Website, or a similar variant that indicates where your website management tools are located. Next, you'll need to enter the editing mode of your website. You can do this by finding and clicking on the Edit Website button. This button is your gateway to making all sorts of changes to your site, including the crucial step we're focusing on today, changing your website's template. Now the real fun begins. Go to the top right corner and look for the Themes option. You might need to hunt a little, as the interface could have slight variations depending on updates and the specific layout of your dashboard. Clicking on Themes will bring up the different design choices you have for your website. This is where Godaddy really shines, offering a wide range of templates to suit just about any need or aesthetic preference. Upon accessing the Themes menu, your next move is to click on Try a New Look. This option allows you to explore the various templates available, making it easier to envision how your website could transform. It's like shopping for your website's new outfit, so take your time to browse through and see what catches your eye. When you find a template that you love, it's time to make it official. Each template comes with a Select button that, when clicked, applies the template to your website. Think of it as picking out the perfect dress or suit. Once you know it's the one, you select it and it's all yours. But before you make this choice, I want to share a couple of additional tips to make the most of your new template. First, consider your brand identity. Make sure the template you choose aligns with the colors, style, and vibe of your brand. It's not just about a pretty template, it's about consistency and recognizability in your market. Also, take a moment to preview how your chosen template looks on different devices. A responsive design that looks great on both desktop and mobile is key in today's digital world. After clicking Select for your chosen template, Godaddy will work its magic and your website will be updated with the new look. It's instant gratification, and the beauty is, if you decide you want to change things up again in the future, you can repeat this process as often as you like. And there you have it, a quick and painless guide to changing your website template on Godaddy. By now you should have a fresh, new design that speaks volumes about your brand and what you offer. Remember, your website is often the first point of contact between you and potential clients or customers. Making a good impression starts with a design that is not only visually appealing, but also functional and reflective of your brand identity. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, whether you're a seasoned pro at website design, or this was your first time venturing into the back end of your site. I hope you found these steps easy to understand and execute. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more of our tutorials for tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Godaddy website builder. Happy designing,